Yo, believe it or not, teenagers are out here making a doctor's yearly salary every month. How? With the TikTok Creator Rewards Program, formerly called the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. The wild part, they're posting simple videos that literally take 15 minutes to make, all thanks to AI. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact formula I use to get results like this.
When you lie about something insignificant, act like you have the worst.
Plus, I'll even drop a brand new untapped niche you can dive into right after watching, so you've got zero excuses not to start making money online. Let's get into it. A few days ago, I was doom scrolling on TikTok, just about to crash, when I came across this random motivational anime video.
A good liar acts like he is a bad liar.
At first, it seemed like nothing special, just some anime clips with an AI voiceover. But then I noticed 2 million likes. So I clicked on the account and realized every video was going viral. One video had hit 10 million views. Now, if you know TikTok's rewards program, you know it pays out around $1 RPM, revenue per 1,000 views. Meaning this account made around $10,000. That's probably more than your parents make in a month combined. Not to flex, but that's real money. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how you can create videos just like this in literally 15 minutes or less. But first, there's something crucial you need to know. The TikTok's Creator Rewards Program is only available in these countries: United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Japan, South Korea, France, and Brazil. Yeah, there are options for you if you are not in these countries and go to websites like these. But I cannot vouch for them, and instead, personally, I would take the knowledge from this video and implement it in making shorts for YouTube. And then simultaneously, I would also post them on TikTok, because it'll be only a matter of time other countries are being added. But okay, alright, now let's talk scripts. This is the real game changer. A good script is everything. No matter how fire your editing is, if the script is weak, your video won't blow up. Your script needs to feel like a conversation, like you're vibing with your audience. So let's head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write you a few motivational quotes for a TikTok about self-improvement. Tell it to keep the language chill, and boom, you've got a solid script. Make sure it vibes with your style, and if you need to tweak anything, you can just ask it to do it for you. Next up, voiceovers. There's a ton of text-to-speech software out there. I even made a video with the best free-to-use AI text-to-speech generators, so check that out. But my go-to is 11 Labs. It's free, and the voices are super realistic. Pick a voice from the voice library that fits your niche. For a motivational vibe, I usually go with a deep, smooth male voice. Drop your script in, generate a few takes, and find one that hits. And guys, I will show you a tip later on in the video to make your voiceovers even better.
Today I'll teach you how to be a good liar. A good liar acts like he is a bad liar.
Now that the voiceover's locked, let's talk visuals. You can't just jack anime clips off the internet. TikTok will demonetize you real quick. So we're creating our own anime clips using AI. I found this crazy software called Pika that lets you generate custom anime clips from a text prompt. It's next level stuff. So let's go to pika.art and click on Try Pika. Next up, simply sign up with your email or sign up with your Google account like I am doing. Now for the text prompt, describe your script's visuals in detail, like this. So add the style, the colors that it should be hand-drawn, and very important, the scene description that is in your video script. Now go to Advanced Settings. Set the frames per second to 12. And now we need to type in the negative prompt. It will tell the AI things we especially do not want to see in the video. Ugly, low quality, etc. By the way, I will put all the prompts in the video description, no worries. And here is a pro tip. If you want to make similar kind of videos with the same style, etc., then go ahead and type a seed number like 1234. This way you will be able to get a similar image even if you change the prompt. And now press Generate and let the AI work its magic. You'll get some insane clips that no one else is using, which gives you a unique edge in the niche. Look at that, there it is. We have gotten 4 different outputs. Now choose the one you like most and click on it. This is important because since we have set a seed, we can now generate other videos that are similar to that one, and just change a few words in the text prompt that align with our script. Keep refining the prompts until you've got enough footage for your entire voiceover. Alright, let's edit it all together. I'm using CapCut because it's free and stupid simple, but use whatever software you're comfortable with. Import the voiceover. Now here's the hack for the voiceover. Once you have the voiceover, you can tweak it to sound even more natural. Cut out the pauses, overlap the sentences slightly, and you've got a voiceover that flows better than most real humans can speak.
Today I'll teach you how to be a good liar. A good liar acts like he is a bad liar.
And now drop in your AI-generated anime clips. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 so it is vertical. Now tweak the visuals, like make it bigger, and change the speed of each clip. And apply some nice effects like to tie everything together. Like add some effects and overlay it onto all clips. Or you can even opt to add a nice color correction like this. This is all up to you, and remember that here you can really add your personal touch and branding to your videos. Now the secret sauce, sound design. No one likes awkward silence, so make sure you're adding music and sound effects. Find a trendy track that's popping off on TikTok and download it on YouTube. This will greatly enhance your chances of going viral. If you want to use copyright-free tracks, simply find them in the YouTube audio library. But you can also generate your background music with AI. For example, with Muber. Let's head over to the website and sign up. I'm already signed in, so let's get started. We can select from different genres, moods, or activities, but I'm going to use the text prompt option instead. I'll go with something like dark, high-tempo hip-hop beat. That should work perfectly. You also have the ability to adjust the duration of your song, and you can choose the type of audio. I'll leave it set to track, and then click Generate Track. While our song is being created, let's check out their pricing options. They offer a creator plan for $14 a month, a pro plan for $39 a month, and a business plan for around $200 a month. Personally, I like the pro plan since it includes a commercial license, which means I can use the music on platforms like YouTube. Alright, our track should be ready now. Head over to my generated tracks to give it a listen. Wow, that sounds fantastic. Let's go ahead and click the download button and then navigate to My Downloads. Here, our track is being prepared for download. Once we click on the document file, we can review the licensing rights and agreement for the audio. Finally, click the download button to save it. There's also an option to link the track to your channel, which helps prevent any false copyright strikes from Muber. Okay, let's head back to CapCut. For the purpose of this video, I found this one in the YouTube audio library. I will put it in the timeline, but be sure to not let it overpower the voiceover. For sound effects, add some risers and neat effects. Don't forget to add captions. 40% of TikTok users watch videos on mute, so if you're not using captions, you're losing half your audience. CapCut has an auto caption feature that'll save you tons of time. Just go to Text, Auto Captions, and let it generate the captions for you. Just make sure to double check them for accuracy. Now they look a bit dull, so let's go to the templates and pick a fitting and exciting animation. This one looks great. Once everything's polished, export it and post the video. Do this consistently, like every day. And heads up, your first few videos might flop. It happens. What does Mr. Beast have to say about that?
Applies to people who have not uploaded videos but have dreams of being a YouTuber, is make 100 videos and improve something every time. Do that. And then on your 101st video, we'll start talking, like maybe you can get some views.
So stick with it, keep improving, and by your 100th video, you'll be in the game. Before I am going to show you the end result, one last tip. TikTok SEO is a thing. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. You want your videos to show up in searches just like on YouTube. Hit up the TikTok Creative Center, find the trending hashtags in your niche, and include them in your video. Make them tiny and hide them in a corner. This will help TikTok push your content to the right audience. Here is a preview of the end result.
Today I'll teach you how to be a good liar. A good liar acts like he is a bad liar. When you lie about something insignificant, act like you have the worst poker face. Smile and laugh and act like you can't lie without smiling. For example,
And that's it, now it's up to you. Create viral TikToks and go viral. Keep grinding, keep posting, have a lot of fun, And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.